They still have the foggy 0%. That's great. Do you just try and keep everything in the cart?
Yeah.
You don't want to take anything out anymore. I love the Batman.
Thank you. Would you like a box
114.
Yes, please. Oh, slide?
That's not a payment card. That's your membership, sir.
Sure. Thank you, brother.
Like, wait, what?
Things at once, Charlie.
You're good.
Notice it's a clean hand. All right, now you got to touch this. No cash back. Now I got to see. I'm using the glove.
You want that?
No, I'm okay. Keep that crap away from me. Just wash your hands, man.
I know.
That's some bad for you. Charlie, show the camera that. Just put it right over here. See that? All right, we're doing it.
There you go. You're done.
Thanks, brother.
Have a good one.
Hey, always better, man. Cleaning it, Ken? Thank you, sir. Yep. Thank you, everybody. Always better. You gonna wave? Okay. Bye, guys. Remember, it's a 98% recovery rate. Woo.
Yeah.